lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. So right now I'll be preparing rabbit meat. So let's go. So in our saucepan I've put some bay leaves. Then I'll go ahead and add our meat. Then I'll go ahead and add salt, and then I'll pour this mixture. That is green onions and some cilantro. I first pounded them in a mortar, then I mixed them with some water. And I'll go ahead and add in some turmeric. That's what I'll use for boiling our rabbit meat. Look at the color from the onions and the cilantro. And then off to the fire. So I'll just cover and bring it to a boil for just a few minutes. Right now our sauce has been boiling for a while. I'll just take it off the fire. And then I'll scoop it out from the water. So this is the liver. I can leave it here for now. In our saucepan, I'll go ahead and add cooking oil. Then I'll go ahead and place our meat. Doing this so that it can brown a little. So right now I'll scoop out the meat. It has got the golden color on the sides. In this same saucepan I'll go ahead and add our tomato paste. So these are leftover tomatoes. These are grounded tomatoes and onions. I'll put back our meat. I'll go ahead and add some little spices. This is coriander, cumin seeds and black pepper. Then a little curry powder. Then I'll go ahead and add the water which we used for boiling. These are bay leaves. And then lastly I'll add in some little water to make soup. Then we pour. Shall just cover and let it boil until it's ready. So this is a village. You can't always get access to things that you need. Just like most of the vegetables. You see right here I didn't put vegetables because they are not there. It's hard to get carrots, green pepper, garlic, all that stuff. It's very hard to get it here unless you go to town. So right now it's serving time. So you can see how thick our soup is. So you can see how soft our meat is. One thing I love about rabbit meat, it gets ready so quickly. It's so soft, tender and delicious. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.